Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Studies with Joy. Now, our today's topic is 9th standard mathematics part 2, that is geometry, 9th geometry, chapter number 9, surface area and volume, practice set 9.3. This is the last practice set of this chapter, and we will complete this chapter in this video. And we are going to do very interesting sums on based on practice set 9.3. I hope that you understand those, and also if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon button so that you get the first notification when you upload a new video. Watch this video till the end because these sums are a little bit challenging also, so if you don't understand them and if you don't watch the video properly, you will not going to understand them. So now let's start with our today's topic. Hello everyone. Now let's start with our today's topic, that is practice set 9.3. Let's do the concept of practice set 9.3. In practice set 9.3 there are sums related to sphere, surface area of a sphere, and much more related to sphere. Now let's learn about something about surface area of a sphere. So what is a surface area of sphere? A sphere is defined as a ball like shaped body bound by a surface. So what is a sphere? It is a bound like, we can say like, it's circular but it is like ball type, but it's not a circle. It's similar to circle, we can say. Okay, so it's a ball type structure but it is three-dimensional and bound by a surface. Every point of a sphere is equidistant from the fixed point called the center. So if this is the center, these all points are equidistant from the center. This way it's a sphere and it's equidistant. Okay, then let's learn more. A sphere is a geometric shape in three-dimensional space. So it's a geometric shape, three-dimensional shape, and one half of a sphere is known as hemisphere. Okay, so there are two halves of a sphere. There are also two hemispheres of a sphere. So don't get confused what is a hemisphere and what is a sphere. The hemisphere is a part of the sphere. Okay, so there are some formulas related to only hemisphere. Okay, but don't get confused that hemisphere is different type of a sphere and sphere is different. It's not like that. It's the part only. This is a sphere and this half part, this is one hemisphere and this is second hemisphere. Okay, I hope that you understand what I am saying. uh, Surface area of a sphere and hemisphere. So here it is written both because there is a specific formula for just finding out the half part of the sphere, the surface area of the half part of a sphere, that is hemisphere. If the radius of a sphere or hemisphere is r, then surface area of a sphere is equals to 4 pi r square. Surface area of a hemisphere is equals to 2 pi r square, and total surface area of a solid hemisphere is equals to surface area of hemisphere plus area of circle, that is 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that is 3 pi r square. So which are the formulas for surface area of a sphere? Surface area of a sphere formula and surface area of a hemisphere is very similar, because surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. You just remember that. And the surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Now only 4 becomes 2. How? Why? Because hemisphere is the half part of a sphere, so full half. So the if you will just do the whatever surface area of the sphere you get, you will just divide it by 2. Now you will get directly the surface area of a hemisphere, so you need not to apply this formula also, but according to your teacher you do. And the total surface area of a solid hemisphere is very important, this formula, 3 pi r square. Okay, volume of sphere and hemisphere. Now let's learn about volume. If the radius of base of cone and that of hemisphere are same, means they should be same, then volume of hemisphere is 2 into volume of cone. Okay, so volume of hemisphere is 2 into volume of cone, that is equal to 2 into 1 upon 3 pi r square h, and that is equal to 2 into 1 upon 3 pi r square into r. So this is the formula for volume of hemisphere. And why here in the place of h r came? Because r is equal to h, radius is equal to height and radius are the same only in a sphere, because the sphere doesn't have a specific height. It's the radius only, it is the height. Volume of hemisphere, the correct formula for volume of hemisphere after we've solved this is this one. Okay, so remember this formula, it's very important formula. So it is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere and volume of sphere. So hemisphere, what is the formula? 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Simple, it will be double. So that is 4 upon 3 pi r cube is the volume of sphere. So remember, volume of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube and volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Simple. Now remember these formulas. Sphere, surface area of a sphere 4 pi r square, volume of a sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere, surface area of a hemisphere 2 pi r square, total surface area of a solid hemisphere 3 pi r square, volume of hemisphere is equals to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Remember these points because these are very important points that we need in practice at 9.3. Find the surface areas and volumes of spheres of the following radii. Okay, so first one is 4 centimeters. Now let's find it out. First one given is 4, radius is 4 centimeter, and we have to find surface area and volume of sphere. Surface area formula, what is it? It is 4 pi r square. So 4 into 3.14 into 4 square. Because why we took 3.14 here, it is mentioned that we have to take 3.14 the value of pi. ठीक है, तो the surface area of a sphere is equals to 4 pi r square, that is 4 into 3.14 into 4 square, that is if you multiply you will get the answer as 200.96 square centimeter. Now we need to find the volume also. So volume of sphere is equals to 4 upon 3 pi r cube, that is 4 upon 3 into 3.14. Why? Because they have told us that we have to take the value of pi as 3.14 only, so into 4 cube. So you will get the answer as 267.95 cubic centimeter if you multiply it properly. So calculations, small calculations are very important. Next to in the next sum we have given the radius as 9 centimeter. We have to find surface area and volume of sphere only. That is only the sub question of question number 1. So solution, surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, the radius is 9, so 4 into 3.14 into 9 square. We have been specifically told that we have to take the value of pi as 3.14. So surface area of sphere, if you multiply you will get as 1017.36 square centimeter. Volume of sphere formula is what? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 9 cube. If you multiply it properly and don't do any mistake, then you will get the proper answer as 3052.08 cubic centimeter. While multiplication calculations, remember that you need to remove the point. Now let's do the third one. Radius is given as 3.5 centimeter, and we have to find surface area and volume of sphere. This is the third sub question of question number 1. So solution, surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, so is equals to 4 into 3.14 into 3.5 the whole square. So surface area of sphere is nothing but 153.86 square centimeter if you multiply it properly. So small calculations for you need to practice every day so that you are very assured that your calculation is correct because you have done very practice. Volume of sphere formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So I told like that only you practice. If you don't have any time to practice, then you must do small calculations in your day-to-day life, but just orally, so that your mind is very easily able to solve calculations in minutes. In examinations it will be very easy for you then to do it. Volume of sphere formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube is equals to 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 3.5 the whole cube. If you multiply it, we'll get the answer as 179.50 cubic centimeter. Now let's do question number 2 of practice at 9.3. If the radius of a solid hemisphere is 5 centimeter, then find its curved surface area and total surface area. And we have been told specifically that we have to take pi as 3.14. And here we have been told that radius is given as 5 centimeter of a solid hemisphere, and we know how to find out the total surface area of a solid hemisphere formula we have learned. So we will just use that one. And also we have to find out the curved surface area of hemisphere, so that also we are going to find it out. Curved surface area and surface area of a hemisphere is the same, so formula of surface area only we are going to use here for curved surface area, that is 2 pi r square. So 2 into 3.14, and we have been given the radius as 5, so 5 the whole square. So 2 into 3.14 into 25 is equals to 2 into 25 is 50, so 50 into 3.14 is equals to 157 square centimeter. Don't forget to remove the point. I hope that you know how to remove the point and do calculations. If you don't, now I am telling you, you remove the point, and if there are two numbers after the point, then you will put upon 100, two zeros should be there. So according to the numbers after the point, you need to put zeros, and then you can calculate. Okay. So next we have to find out that is total surface area of hemisphere, that is 3 pi r square. So this is total surface area of solid hemisphere. Okay, so is equals to 3 into 3.14 into 5 square, that is equals to 235.5 square centimeter. So final answer is the curved surface area and total surface area of hemisphere are 157 square centimeter and 235.5 square centimeter respectively. I hope that you understood this sum. It was a very easy sum to solve. Next question, let's see. Question number 3. If the surface area of a sphere is 2826 centimeters square, then find its volume. We have been given the surface area and we need to find the volume. Now you will say, what is the connection between these two? We will find out the connection. Let's see. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, and we have been given that, but we don't have the radius, and that is needed in the volume formula, because volume formula of a sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, and here we need r. So we have not been given the radius in the question, so that's why we have been given the surface area, and with the help of the surface area formula we can find it out what is the radius. So surface area of sphere is equals to 4 pi r square, that is 2826 is equals to 4 into 3.14 into r square, because we don't know what is the value of r, that we are going to find it out now. So r square we will take one side, and 3.14 into 4, if we take that side it will go into division, because here it is in multiplication, and above it will be 2826. Now if we remove the points from the 3.14, so if we remove here, so two numbers are there, so above it will become into 100. So 2826 into 100 is 228 2,82,600 that we have written. Okay, and if we divide it, we will get it the answer in fraction form, that is 900 upon 4, and if we divide that also, we will get the answer as 225. R square, it is 225, so we need only r, so we will take square roots on both the sides. We will get the answer as 15 centimeter. Volume of sphere, now let's we have to find, we got the r, so we can find out that we need. So 4 upon 3 pi r cube is the formula for volume of sphere. So 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 15 the whole cube. 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 15 into 15 into 15. Why I wrote, so that it will be easy for us to calculate it, and we can also simplify 115, and 3 5s are 15, so we can simplify it, and at last if you calculate you will get the answer as 14,130 cubic centimeter. So therefore the volume of the sphere is 14,130 cubic centimeter. We complete this sum also. Now let's see question number 4. Question number 3 was very little bit tricky, just tricky but easy also. Now let's see question number 4. It is find the surface area of a sphere if its volume is 38,808 cubic centimeter, and here we have to take the value of pi as 22 upon 7. So given is volume of sphere, and we need to find surface area of sphere. It is exactly opposite to the question number 3. In the question number 3 we have to be given the surface area, and we need to find the volume. Now in question number 4 we have been given the volume, and we need to find the surface area. Simply in with that way only we are going to find it out. So volume of a sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. We don't know the value of r, and which is needed for finding the surface area, because in the formula of surface area we need r. So let's find it out the r with the help of volume of sphere that is given to us. So volume of sphere is equals to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 38,808 is equals to 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into r cube. So here one thing is changed, that we have taken the pi value as 22 upon 7. So we will take 22 upon 7 and 4 upon 3 to that side. So it will become reciprocal of them. It will become 3 upon 4 and 7 upon 22. And 38,800 into 3 into 7 upon 4 into 22 is equals to r cube. Remember this step, because reciprocal is done if we take fractions to other side. So if you simplify these and multiply them, you will get the whole answer as 441 into 21 I have written. And we can now we will get the answer as r cube is equals to 441. And what is 441? The cube of 21. So we will take out the cube root on both sides. So r is 21 centimeter. Surface area of sphere, now we have to find. We can find it easily because we got the value of r. So surface area of sphere is equals to 4 pi r cube square is equals to 4 into 22 upon 7 into 21 square. So that is 4 into 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. So if we simplify and solve it, you get the answer as 5544 square centimeter. The surface area of sphere is 5544 square centimeter. Now let's do question number 5. The question number 5 is, volume of a sphere is 18,000 pi cubic centimeter. Find its diameter. So it is 18,000 pi. It's little bit confusing for you to understand, but it's very easy. You just have to put the value of pi, and you need to find it out the radius, and if you double the radius you will get the diameter. So what is the given to us? Volume of hemisphere, that is equals to 18,000 pi cubic centimeter. To find diameter of this hemisphere, I will not show you this sum whole. I will just show you the method how to do it. I hope that you can do one sum on your own. So solution is, volume of hemisphere is equals to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So 18,000 pi is equals to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So you will do 18,000 in pi, no? So what is happening here? 18,000 pi is equals to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So here both sides there is one pi, and if we take any one pi to one side, it will come into division, and we can cancel it easily. So we can also cancel if both sides have same values, so we can directly cancel those. So pi is getting cancelled in this step, and therefore 18,000 is equals to 2 upon 3 r cube. Now you can put the value of r, sorry, you can get the value of r. Simply just 18,000 into 3 upon 2. If we take through 2 upon 3 to that side, it will do a reciprocal, and it will become 3 upon 2. And if you simplify it, you will get the answer, and that will be r cube. And then you can take a cube root of it on both sides, and then you will get r, and you can double it, and you will get the diameter of the hemisphere. With this, we finish practice set 9.3, and also we finish this chapter, surface area and volume. I hope that you understand all the practice sets, and if any doubt in any practice set, you can comment me in the comment section. I will surely try to solve your doubt. Thanks for watching. If you're new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, then please like this video. Thanks for watching.